another video.
The things is fried great.
And today we have deep fried seafood boil.
Hold on now. Hold up. Check this out, y'all.
What?
I thought I was tripping.
What you trying
Because she actually fried the king crab with the claw on there.
Oh.
It's a whole nail pointing at me right now. It's like one of them wicked witches or something.
Yeah, we got king crab, deep fried king crab. We got deep fried king crab, lobster, and shrimp.
We got shrimp too.
Yes, we do.
I didn't know we had shrimp.
Because you know that's my favorite. All right.
Shrimp on.
Let's get it in.
I'm on the table, baby.
I know. Should I say a prayer for the baby?
Excuse.
I got this.
I can't even see that.
Salt and vinegar. And I have some cucumbers back here, y'all.
I got some cheese.
It's a little hard.
It's a little weird.
It's a little hard. My stuff is hard. Because I left it open. Ugh.
I got juice. That ain't sound too good, did it, y'all?
I should have got the lemon pepper.
Not
Seasoning
bad.
is hard, babe. Look. I thought I
You gotta
could.
stab it. Ew.
Right, it's
I don't
mushy
think that's not
hard.
hard. That's mushy. Alright, come on, let's eat.
That seasoning is good, though.
I don't know what this is. Probably king crab or something. Ooh,
They got cheese. I got some little concoction I put together back here.
this thing hot too. Y'all see that? Don't scrape it on that, baby.
What?
It making a noise.
Cause I'm
That
trying.
thing probably loud in people's headphones.
My bad, y'all.
I know that probably made people cringe just now.
They might like it.
That's weird.
Let's try this sauce I made.
That's cheese off the chain. Bad cheese. What you got? You know what I don't like?
What?
What's that in there?
And what?
In that bowl?
A couple things. Why?
That smell ain't right to me.
It's mayo and sriracha. And
Somebody got ketchup in there or something.
a little bit. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I got some cucumbers, y'all. We got no seasoning to go on there, but you know.
I cut that ice on the bottom. I think this king crab right here, y'all. Let me see. Stir it up, stir it up.
Try to get y'all some crunchy noises, but you know. Y'all ever had cheese and cucumber? Let's try it.
Nope.
Come on.
Just waste my cheese on cucumber.
That's weird.
That's king crab. Yep. And cheese.
How y'all doing today?
This is tripping. Look. Y'all, my legs hurt. Been a long day at work. You use all the boom boom sauce.
No.
Boom boom. It's a boom boom sauce.
You said it was a long day at work. Oh.
Horribly long. That's king crab right there. Let me see if I can grab this right here myself. That's lobster. Say bye bye, lobster. Bye bye, y'all.
Pretty sure I wasn't there.
I almost knocked the king crab off. Alright. Almost split it. Watch your hand.
Oh, put a little bit of lemon on this king crab.
In the shell? I mean, in the I said shell.
I wonder what.
Lobster and cheese. I'm just trying stuff.
I think somebody do it.
Yeah.
My king crab came straight out.
I went to the store. She told me to get planko.
Panko.
Planko? What's it called? I said planko. That's a game on Price is Right, y'all. Something like that.
Panko breadcrumbs. And of course y'all know he didn't get it, but it's okay.
She said I got plain. That's what she wanted to.
Plain panko. He got plain breadcrumbs.
I don't know the difference. Baby.
This crunch.
Is that the crunch? I don't know. I go wrong saying. See Japanese style, thought it was just no type. Same thing.
The crumbs are bigger, which make it crunchier, that's all.
I still ain't got nothing more money we was eating that we had last time.
Oh,
That thing was crunchy. Y'all ain't take no thumbnail.
We didn't.
Whatever y'all see is what y'all see. That's my thumbnail. Just need to open my juice. That was the only one they had.
I was like, oh, hit the door now.
That's not good.
Right. So I'll close y'all right now?
I
But
thought it was for a rainy day. Yeah. It drizzled. Look at my baby. We back. And there's my baby looking at the camera like, nah, nah, nah.
yeah, we got a guest, y'all. 2 guests.
Yep, my old baby watching us.
Yeah. So
Ain't you, boy?
I don't know what we was talking about.
I don't know either. But anyway, I got a call today while I was at work.
You say you got what?
A call. Guess what the call was about?
What?
The kids breaking the iPad.
Oh. Who did that but? They me? No. We can't have none of this but. Don't do my baby like that. You know she wants some. She can't have none.
I'm dipping it in the cheese, yo. Man. Yo. That's the one with the fingernail on there.
Want cucumber? You can have that.
She's sleepy. She heard my voice and woke up.
That king crab is actually good with a piece of cucumber. I just want the little
King
pieces.
crab is good already. Oh, I ain't getting no shrimp. Yo. Right. They broke that iPad.
Yep. I came outside.
I've been suffering from anxiety attacks all day.
No, you have. I came outside, she was just rubbing it on the concrete, like la 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 la. This is fun.
I want no fun.
It's
You
butter
right?
and cheese. Then she dropped the cucumber in our bowl.
You hear my baby crunching? Why are you watching me? What?
The fly.
Fly. She tweaked out in there. Okay, my baby. You miss me? Sorry, y'all. I miss you. Sheepy.
Oh, excuse me. I talked to my sister today.
What she said?
They're having a ball.
I know he enjoy himself.
Wow, they having a ball.
That's what's up. Happy for him.
They done got tatted.
They got tattoos too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, y'all down there getting it in.
Yeah,
Tattoos.
that wedding day. It's really cute. They're in Miami.
The cheese on my finger.
We asked for you too.
What's up, Devon? What you looking at?
I told him we could go. We should plan a trip for my birthday to go there.
What? I should plan a trip for your birthday to
No, I said I told them that we should plan a trip for my birthday.
Oh.
I didn't tell you.
I was gonna say, how you want me to plan a trip that you know about?
There's nothing wrong with that.
It's a fucking night.
It's on the light.
Uh-huh.
It's okay.
That's Yaya.
Catch it. Y'all not ready to see me run around here trying to catch the fly. No, they won't.
He gonna do it though. He gonna do it just fine.
You eat lobster yet? Nope.
No, you know how I feel about the lobster.
Drop it in the cheese. Oh man. My baby tired. She's sleeping.
I'm in full too.
Y'all know what?
My seriously. Shout out to our new subscribers.
Right, because I seen that number jump like crazy. TikTok. What's up, TikTok people?
Right.
I ain't gonna tell y'all I try to make a TikTok myself for us. You know, I think I got like about 5 people following me. How long that TikTok been up? About a month. Some trash. I tried. She did. That's my phone.
Okay. In a minute. As soon as we finish.
Yo, TikTok failed me. I'm not a social media wizard. I can't do it.
I got you, baby.
Some sort of electronic literate. Just a little bit.
I don't even know how. I'm not gonna say I don't know how, but all I do is good.
You crushing that cucumber.
All I do is post and add tags. I'm full. You done?
Yeah, I'm ready to eat this lobster right here. Eat this lobster right here.
You can come up my butt. You see the camera? Look. There your camera. Bye bye. Look. Say hi. Who's that? Say hi.
What you eat?
I gave her shrimp.
Shrimp. They good, ain't it?
Hopefully, I don't do what it do to you.
Oh man.
I think everybody in here is allergic to shellfish.
Oh, not duty. Oh, she
used to.
was. She outgrew it. Something happened to her. She mutated. Yeah, that's why Pinky told her like that. Why you keep looking at me? You know me?
Say, can you say daddy's home?
Hey.
Yeah.
What? What?
I've been waiting.
What?
Say yes.
What?
Yes.
Give me some. Give me some. I don't want none. What's wrong, baby? The fly.
Nothing.
Ooh, I am full,
My baby's
y'all.
wild out on me. Oh, that fly.
I hope y'all enjoy this deep fried
Alright.
seafood boil.
My baby's woke up on me.
It's late. I'm tired. I ain't get no rest last night. It's about 1 o'clock now.
It is?
Yeah.
I can get up at 6 o'clock.
Nope.
I'm waiting on y'all up at 6 o'clock. You getting up at 6 o'clock too? Yeah. You getting up at 6 o'clock too, Duke?
She had ponytails, but
If Duke said
she
no.
got in the tub. Oh man, let me tell you how. That's what I want to tell you. I put them in a tub and I took her out first, got her dressed, and she wanted to stay in the tub for longer. So I sat and fed her while she was in the tub. So I got finished feeding her and I was cleaning up. I go in the bathroom. She got both arms in the tub.
She was in there? She was getting in there?
Getting in this. Both sleeves wet. I don't know how this get wet. This ain't get wet, but both arms is wet. And she like, Mommy, get Bailey. Get her. Come get her.
You better get in the tub.
Yeah, see, I went swimming.
You better get in the tub, but
She sure was.
she tired.
My baby
milk
said,
time. It's milk time.
Sheepy. Come on. Hey, y'all, butt.
Come here, butt. Nope. Nope. Come here.
What?
Nope.
That's what she want, milk.
Come here. Forget you, punk. My Duke booty, come here. Come here, my Duke booty. Look, my baby come over here.
You gotta go the other way, but you ain't chicken.
Come here, my baby.
She like, I'm ready to go under the table. Smart.
She's like, I ain't ready to walk all the way around there. Crazy.
I'm full.
Nah, that is my baby. You okay?
She's sleepy. You like that cucumber? Want some tea?
Yeah, that's my baby. This is my baby right here, look. Her mama spoiled her, and I spoiled her. Where you going?
Spoil ain't the word, because if I tell her no, she gonna say, can I call Yaya? And he, give my baby ice cream. No, she had ice cream 3 times a day. Give my baby some ice cream. What's she doing?
I don't know where you going, baby.
All right, y'all, we gonna head down.
There's a lot going on right now. What you doing?
What up, butt?
You alright? What you looking for? Y'all, there's a lot going on in this video. But I hope y'all enjoyed this, because this was
Not playing.
not planned at all.
Uh-oh.
I had a nice little story for y'all, but that's dead. But listen, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. And you ready to just take my juice like that?
Yep. And we'll see y'all back with another video.
You just
bye-bye.
take my juice.
Look at your camera. Hey, mommy phone. Say bye-bye.
There's floaties in here.
Say bye-bye.
There's floaties in my juice. You drink it.
Juice.
It's yours now.
I want it.
You don't want it. You just put floaty in there.
Oh.
Drink it. It's your floaties.
Okay.
Sleepy. I'm tired too, y'all. No lie. We hope y'all enjoyed the time with the kids.
Cucumber.
cucumber.
Hey,
I don't have any more. I gotta cut
let's
some
go.
up. They all going.
You okay? Alright.
But
Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. Deuces. Say
peace.
deuces.
Say peace.
Tell them, Doogie, what to do. Tell them what to do. Say go to bed. Say thumbs up.
Okay.
No.
She's sleepy, y'all.
Say y'all go to
Put
bed.
your thumbs up.
Tell them. Tell them go to bed. Tell them you ready to go to bed.
No, but.
She want milk and she just wanna be under me.
Okay,
is
y'all.
life.
See y'all. Peace.
Look, see
Say
she's
bye-bye. This right be our thumbnail.
look. Hey cheese.
Let me kiss the pool. Let me get the pool. Let me get the pool. Alright, y'all.